You will attract your specific person once you understand this. By the end of this short video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint on how to attract love, how to attract a relationship, how to attract your specific person into your life. And it's not as difficult as you might imagine. Hi, everyone. I'm Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. That's why we call you high flyers, because you're soaring high. Several years ago, it dawned on me. I was working with a client, and she said, "Look, this is all very cool. This is all very interesting. And I believe it. But I don't have time for it. Why can't you just manifest for me?" And so I did. And I did for a number of people. And then I realized if I did that full time, I would literally lose all my energy. So I started limiting it to the winter solstice, primarily. Summer as well, but winter solstice, that's the big one. And we've got so many miracles that have happened. People that couldn't get pregnant got pregnant. People that were out of a relationship, that were being ghosted, were back together. I mean, people that wanted to start a business were able to come up with the funding and start it. I mean, all kinds of incredible miracles have been taking place over the last few years. And then this last year, I said, there's got to be a way to take it to an even higher level, almost a 100% success rate. And I spent the whole year just focusing on this whole notion, this whole concept of using vibration and frequency and quantum tunneling. I believe that on the 19th, the eve of the winter solstice, a small group of people are going to join me and my manifesting team, and we are going to manifest for you. Now, this isn't for everyone. This is for a small group of people who are feeling called, are feeling drawn, and maybe you've been running into resistance and it's been holding you back. Let us help you. Visit iwillmanifestforyou.com. We only have a few openings left. iwillmanifestforyou.com. Read about it, check it out. If it's right for you, then join me for 2 hours and experience a miracle. I mean, your life is really going to change. Within 30 days, you're going to have things that you never thought you'd have in your life, and it's going to happen. As long as you don't hurt anyone and as long as it's legal, okay? iwillmanifestforyou.com. Think of it like this. Your subconscious mind is it's like a jealous ex, like a jealous ex-lover. It only believes what it feels. Did you hear what I said? It only believes what it feels. And your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the divine, to the universe, to spirit. It's how you connect to the rest of the universe in order to manifest what you desire. So what I'd like you to do is close your eyes. Pick one vivid snapshot, not a movie, a snapshot of the love that you want. A picture, as if you were looking at it. Just one frame. Can you do that? What does it look like? Let me give you an example. Maybe the picture is the two of you sitting on the couch, holding hands, laughing. One picture. Now, I want you to look at that picture and I want you to let out the feelings. What are you feeling from that picture? What are the people in the picture feeling from each other. What are the feelings? So now, right in present tense, I am cuddled with my partner, feeling safe and adored. This is your anchor phrase. I am cuddled. Doesn't that feel good? With my partner, feeling safe and adored. I am cuddled with my partner, feeling safe and adored. Make it your anchor phrase. So now, twice daily, morning and pre-sleep, before you go to sleep, during what Neville calls the SAT stage, twice daily, you're just going to loop that still picture and that anchor phrase together. And you're going to repeat them and repeat it. And you're going to feel the feelings. That's the secret. You've got to feel the feelings in the morning, before you get out of bed, and at nighttime, before you fall asleep. Now, here's the secret. I'm going to give you the big secret, and this really works. Flood every sense. Overflow the energy with your vision, sound, smell, feeling. Really get into your senses. Look at them. Look at their smile. What does it look like? What does their smile make you feel? Feeling is the secret. Sound. What is their laughter? What are their voice? What does it make you feel when they tell you they care about you? Touch. The exact pressure, that good feeling when they hold your hand, when they touch you in just the right way. And smell and taste. The kiss, the cologne, the neck scent. Put all those together at one time for only about 2 minutes. That's it. I know this works. I've had so many people use it and have so much success. And I know it will work for you too. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, your brain really can't tell the difference between vivid imagination and reality. And so your subconscious believes this is the reality that you are living, so it attracts it to you. It attracts more of it. Remember, we attract what we are, not what we want. And this is who you are. This is what you are. This is where you're at. So this is what you attract more of. And now, while you are spending these 2 or 3 minutes locked in this bliss, this deep emotion, this connection with your specific person, at the end of it, I want you to see something. A panda bear, the number 1111, a butterfly, a unicorn, whatever sign you would like to see. And here's what's going to happen. The next day or the day after, you're going to see that sign. You're going to see a panda bear. Maybe it'll be on a billboard as you're driving down the street. Maybe it'll be on the internet. Or maybe if you've chosen as a sign a unicorn, or maybe their birth date, you're going to see it. The universe is going to talk to you and tell you that what you are manifesting has happened. Now, I want you to make a commitment to yourself right now that you're going to use this technique for 28 days to receive the maximum benefit. Yeah, you can receive benefit in one day, but stay with it. I mean, Even if he or she calls you the next day and the two of you get together, stay with it for 28 days. Lock it into your subconscious mind. Now, as you fall asleep throughout the day, anytime you feel negative or feel a little bit uneasy about your relationship, I want you to say this mantra. This is now your mantra for the next 28 days. Are you ready? Love assumes I'm already taken by the perfect one. Love assumes, the universe assumes, I'm already taken by the perfect one. And so that's the timeline that it helps you attract. And that's the life you start living. You live what you are. You live what you assume. Okay, you've got the blueprint. You have an idea how this works. Now do it. Don't just listen to this video and go on to another video. We love you going on to other videos, but now it's time to stop. And it's time to actually put this into practice and share your experience down below. We'd like to read it. Now, want to remind you, it's coming up the 19th. Go to iwillmanifestforyou.com. iwillmanifestforyou.com before we run out of space. I love you. Have a great day because you deserve it. Bye-bye now.